Čaute. Tu na vás víta ex-tatranský vlk a teraz som sa premenil na britsko-kolumbijského vlkodava, napríklad. Ideme tým smerom, uvidíme, čo sa bude dať jazdiť. Kde som sa dostal, ty kokos? Pred týždňom a pol som jazdil v Tatrách a teraz som, ty kokos, v krajine, kde nasnežilo za posledné 2 dní 75 cm. Úplne mega. Here we go! Jábani. No dobré, dámy a páni, moja premiéra v Kanade po 3 mesiacoch. Yeah! Napal to! Yeah! Yeah! Ty kráso! To bolo mega, ty kokos! Yes! Palvaj! A ideme hore znovu, chlapi! Yes! A tu to máte, no. Druhá jazda.
Deep in Tennessee with my brothers from the 3. We quick to click and break the peace. No respect for what they feed. The trio's here to bring the beat. I'll make them all fall to my feet. You see, there's no proof on the weed. Superstitions of catastrophe. Watch the word and flow with.
Do čo, hoši? Ako to ide?
Hloši, ako nič. Pozri sa, jaká spolupráca.
What the hell is wrong with music today? I tell you what, you motherfuckers never fail to amaze me with all that shit that you make. Let's change the subject for once and just quit the fake. Everyone seems to keep it real, so why you lying out your teeth? I see you busters on the net, you whacking hard, but talk is cheap. I guess this world is going soft. Now most these artists have no meaning. What's the purpose? Quit your crying, I ain't your mother. Why you nervous? All them pills that you be on, they got you choking like a bird, and it's disgusting. Off in the south, becoming dead. People out here really fight for a cause, so watch your mouth. You sad, your bitch, don't bring a mouth up to a cat. I promise, hope that shit won't end the way you want it. Take this L and walk away, or come and get it. I'll be waiting for you. Deep in the mountains of Tennessee, them crackers is crazy. Slow it down, I'll have you mounted like a deer up on my wall. You want some smoke, but quit your bitching, come give up. The devil is ready for confrontation, man. It's time to knuckle up. I'm always down to rumble.
Dal som 360 okolo tohto stromu. Tam stade som to dropol a už som nestihal vybočiť. Si v pohode?
Jo, si sme nervóz.
Dobre.
A ty?
Dovidenia, chatička. Super strávené 2 dní so super partiou, so super jazdením, so super snehom. Takže lepší comeback do Kanady som si asi ani nemohol prijať. Takže tak, dovidenia. A sme tu z výletu.